Hello there, and welcome to the Quick and Dirty Show with
Juliet and Fiona.
So this is the Quick and Dirty Show, and it is the place to be for weight loss strategies that work, mouth-watering inspiration, cooking tips, and all of that stuff. This is the place to be. So today is Sunday in our world, and we just got back from strawberry picking. And our favorite dessert might just be
Strawberry shortcake.
Maybe it might be strawberry shortcake. So we're gonna show you how we make our strawberry shortcake, because we always are looking for ways to tweak our recipes and our food and make it just a little bit better and a little bit healthier. So we're gonna show you how we do our strawberry shortcake just a little bit better. Put some on your face.
Yeah.
So there you have our making of the strawberry shortcake. Now, some of the reasons that we make the ways that we make our strawberry shortcake a little bit better, aka a little bit healthier. We have a bunch of different sizes of biscuits. Depending on how hungry you are, you don't have to have a giant biscuit as much as you want it. If you're eating your strawberry shortcake after supper, you might opt for a smaller biscuit, and that's what we do. That's one of the reasons how we make it a little bit better. So our strawberry shortcake. Also, another way that we make it a little bit better is for our flour. We put half of whole wheat flour and half what do we use, Juliet? Spelt, exactly. Half whole wheat and half spelt. So that's again how we make it just a little bit healthier, and that we don't use super processed white flour. And that, a little bit of whipped cream, not processed. It doesn't come in the tub of Cool Whip or Dream Whip or whatever it's called. It's whipped cream, and we whip it ourselves with a little sprig of mint on top. And a little strawberry, should have put that on, a little bit of strawberry. And there is our strawberry shortcake. Yummy. Thank you so much for watching this pretty fun episode of the Quick and Dirty Show. I think it was pretty fun. I think the girls had fun too.